You see, I've made quick repairs here on the Musicaire radio from 1939. Got it playing here on the broadcast band.
Nonprofit organization whose mission is to. We have 7 fans in our house, so we set up this system to try to cool. I mean, it's kind of embarrassing.
Because you don't want to be blowing hot air around.
Exactly. Each other. Well, no one told me about.
So guys, I'm not really playing the radio. What I'm doing is just testing the tank circuit itself. Just making sure the tuning capacitor along with the antenna coil here for the broadcast band is functioning. And you can see it is. Let me show you my setup here, what I'm doing here to listen in on what the first RF tube will be listening for once we get the restoration actually complete. You can see I'm just using my signal tracer here to listen to the signal. Again, I've got the blue lead there clipped on to the antenna input that goes to the antenna coil, and then the chassis itself, I've got it grounded. And of course we're looking at that first grid connection there for the first RF tube, the oscillator tube. And just listening to what signal that tube or signals that tube would be listening for to start amplifying, mixing before it goes through the IF transformers. So just kind of a crude way to make certain that the front end of the receiver in the tank circuit's performing the way that it should be.